Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Audacity to combine audio. The first thing you want to do once on Audacity, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select File. After selecting File, you're going to tap on Import. Then from there, you're going to tap on Audio and you're going to select the audio track that you would like to add. After adding the audio track, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option once more, select File, then tap on Import and you're going to select Audio once more and you're going to select the second audio track that you would like to add. If you have numerous audio tracks that you would like to add, you can add them. Then you're going to decide the audio track that you would like to be at the front. So let's say audio track number 1. So we're going to copy audio track number 2. So you'll select all of audio track number 2. Then you can either choose to go to the top left hand corner and tap on Edit. Then you're going to tap on Cut, or you could right click and cut it. Then you're going to go to the end of audio track number 1 since we want it to be at the front. And we're going to paste it there. You could either right click and tap on Paste, or you could go over to the top left hand corner, tap on Edit, and from there you could tap on Paste to add the audio track. Then you'll delete the second audio right there. Once it has been added, you can play it to see how it sounds. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on File, then you'll tap on Export Audio, and from there you can save the audio track to your device by tapping on Export to Computer. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.